Today we are making the softest, fluffiest cinnamon rolls you have ever tasted. So no need to buy them anymore. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lemon Cone. There are tons of recipes out there of cinnamon rolls, but trust me, this one is the absolute best. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with the dough. In a bowl, pour in some lukewarm milk, granulated sugar, and dry yeast. Give it a good stir and let it sit until the yeast blooms. Look, it's foamy. That's your sign that the yeast is working perfectly. Now add melted butter, eggs, and a pinch of salt. Whisk it all together. Then add all-purpose flour. We are tossing in some cinnamon powder. This is totally optional, but it adds a nice flavor. Mix everything together and then knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it is smooth. The dough should feel soft and slightly sticky, but not so much that it sticks to your hands. Grease a bowl and dough. Cover it and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. While the dough is rising, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on other delicious recipes. Now let's make the filling. In a small bowl, mix together brown sugar, cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. Set this aside. It's going to make your rolls irresistibly sweet and flavorful. Before we move on to the dough, let's get our baking dish ready. We are using a 9 by 9 inches dish today. Make sure to grease it well with butter. Our dough has doubled in size. Punch it down and release the air. Dust the counter with flour to prevent the dough from sticking and then place the dough on it for rolling. Roll it out into a rectangle about 12 to 20 inches. Then spread a generous layer of softened butter. Remember, soft, not melted, across the dough. Then sprinkle your brown sugar and cinnamon mixture over the top. Then gently even out with your hands. Don't worry, I have washed mine. Make sure it covers all the edges. Time to roll it up. Start from the wider side and roll it tightly. Once it's all rolled up, cut it into 2-inch pieces. You can use a knife or dental floss for clean cuts. Arrange the rolls in your greased dish, cover them and let them rise for another hour. Now you can see they are puffed up. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the rolls for 20 to 25 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown color. While the rolls are baking, let's make frosting. In a bowl, combine soft butter, cream cheese, a pinch of salt, vanilla essence, and powdered sugar. Mix it all together. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk until you reach the perfect consistency. The cinnamon rolls are out of the oven and they look amazing. Now spread the frosting over the warm rolls and they're ready to enjoy. Just look at how soft and fluffy they are. Delicious! If you love this recipe, make sure to like the video, share it with your loved ones, and leave us a comment. We love to hear your feedback. Keep baking, keep smiling.